Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Shadcn UI versus Chakra UI. Shadcn UI offers a unique approach where you copy and paste components directly into your project, giving you complete ownership and control over the code. In contrast, Chakra UI provides a comprehensive, pre-built component library with a strong emphasis on accessibility and a utility-first styling system. We'll explore how these fundamental differences impact your development workflow and final product. When it comes to customization, Shadcn UI leverages Tailwind CSS, allowing you to modify components with familiar utility classes. You literally own the code, enabling deep, granular changes to markup and logic. Chakra UI, however, provides a robust theming system and powerful style props, like the SX prop, for inline styling and direct access to theme values. Both offer flexibility, but through distinct methodologies. The developer experience varies significantly. Shadcn UI integrates seamlessly with modern React frameworks and Tailwind CSS, often resulting in fewer dependencies and a smaller overall bundle size. Chakra UI boasts excellent documentation and a vibrant community, supporting various frameworks with a rich set of hooks and utilities. Your choice here might depend on your team's comfort with owning component code versus leveraging a fully managed library. So, when should you choose which? Opt for Shadcn UI if your project demands maximum control, a highly customized design system, and you're comfortable building from primitives with Tailwind CSS. Conversely, Chakra UI is an excellent choice for rapid development, projects prioritizing accessibility out of the box, and teams seeking a well-structured, opinionated, and comprehensive UI solution. Consider your project's specific needs and team's expertise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.